Welcome to the Monte Carlo Yachts Yard in Monfalcone, Italy, a place where game-changing innovation and tailor-made design have come together to create a new groundbreaking concept in the world of luxury yachts. Each yacht in the MCY collection is designed by the world-famous Nuvolari Leonard studio, located just a short distance from Venice. Together with Carlo Nuvolari and Dan Leonard, Monte Carlo Yachts has redefined the meaning of words such as style, functionality and customization. At the Monte Carlo Yachts state-of-the-art shipyard, each project takes shape in an open-space concept office, where engineers and designers work side by side with marketing and sales departments. Efficient collaboration between our teams allows us to welcome customer requests and quickly turn them into reality. What may come as a surprise at first is discovering that Monte Carlo Yachts builds fiberglass boats where virtually every inch of space is custom designed and handmade. We aim to offer exceptional quality, enjoyment and livability on board. To this end, all materials used in our yachts' living spaces come from the world's top design firms. Monte Carlo Yachts. We create future classics.